Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Happy Sunday, and man, Walgreens is really good today. More than a $10 moneymaker for this basket and a whole bunch of magic. The Axe deal worked out really well. I'm going to explain it. I didn't get back $5 of Walgreens cash when I spent 20, but I got another coupon back. So in the wash and in the end, it turned out really good. First thing that we're going to do though is just go through some deals that I think you should do if you don't have any boosters, and then we're going to talk about a booster haul. So the first deal that's absolutely fantastic is for some free toothpaste. We're going to grab two of these guys for $3.99. Earn $4 in Walgreens cash when you buy two. This is the digital coupon that popped up this morning, and it is on toothpaste only. No brushes, no mouthwash, toothpaste only. And here it is, grabbing two of those pastes for $7.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket. Getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. If you're doing this deal on its own without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn it. That will work perfectly. And who doesn't like 2 tubes of free toothpaste? The next deal that we're going to talk about is with the Cottonelle, and I think this is the toilet paper deal of the week, in my humble little opinion. So it is $4.99. The original price point for this I think is like $7.99. So was it made out of gold or something? This morning we got a very generous dollar digital coupon, and yes, it is working for mega rolls because that's what we're buying. So it's like 4 rolls equals 16 or whatever. Shopkick has this rebate for 500 points back. 250 Shopkick points is $1, so 500 would be $2. So looking at the math for this one, grabbing one of those Cottonelle packs for $4.99, subtracting that dollar digital, you're paying $3.99 out of pocket, then making that submission for 500 Shopkick points, which is $2. So the final price point for this little 4-pack of toilet paper is $1.99. So not too shabby. I think this is a really smart deal. If you might have store register rewards or something else to throw in, a bit of Walgreens cash, absolutely go for it to get your inexpensive Cottonelle. Photograph that receipt also to the Fetch Rewards app as it's part of their catalog. Now we have a buy one, get one free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand of these like very large, like it's like a knockoff of the Ziploc. So 20 bags, $2.99 on a buy one, get one free. So grabbing two of them, guys, you're paying $2.99 out of pocket. So it shakes it out to $1.49. If you have any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, if you wanted to put the Cottonelle in this together in the same transaction, that's a way to get stuff on the cheap. And if you're a home cook, or if you just go through a lot of these bags, for storage or whatever, traveling, it's a really killer deal. And this has only been popping up once a month, so I'm happy to see it back. Okay, let's talk about the booster. I used this guy along with this guy that popped out of the machine this morning. So the little transaction I did with the Cottonelle and the Complete Home storage bags produced this 9 back when you spend 40, and you can pair 1 digital and 1 paper. This is my haul of goods, including 2 of the OLAY eczema, the fancier bottles for $8 a pop. Buy 2, get back a $4 register reward, and we got a digital coupon for that. 2 of the old-fashioned Colgates, and then 4 of the Axe deodorants. And Axe was really spectacular today for me. So I'll show you exactly what I did for that. I didn't have a digital though for those. These are the fancier OLAY body washes. So they are $8 a pop. And I know a lot of you like to see the tags. I believe it is in the ad. When you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward. So that's what I got on this promotion today. Or it was a $4 register reward. I'll show it to you here in a quick second. And then we got this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. And it's off of these super premium body washes. So the fancy dancy one, not the cheaper ones at the store. And then I grabbed 4 of the deodorants on a BOGO 50% off. Earn $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Plus IBOTTA and Fetch have rebates. So that's what was absolutely fantastic. And as you can see, guys, here's the fine print. And even though I bought 4, I did get back $6 in Walgreens cash. So doubling that, it didn't matter. And I got the Axe. And just to show you the different rebates, they have not disappeared, and we have $2 back for each, so that's $8 back from IBOTTA, which is really fantastic. I would do this deal sooner than later in case these rebates disappear. I think this rebate is disappearing today, but it was $1.25 for each, so I got $5 back from the Fetch Rewards app. The last item I got to get the basket rate to 40 are 2 of these toothpaste for $7.98 for 2 of them. And then, as I stated earlier, we had a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that showed up this morning. So, but this is on toothpaste only. So we always get toothpaste, brushes, mouthwash. No, toothpaste only. Really pay attention. Devil is in the detail. Okay, so for this whole basket, 2 of the Olay body washes for $16, 2 of the Colgate paste for $7.98, and then 4 of the Axe deodorants for $23.37 for a grand total of $47.35. I had my 5 back when you spend $20 booster loaded. Plus that paper one, I gave it to the cashier. She scanned it. I had $8 in digitals that melted off. With my debit card, I paid $39.34, and then I got back $24 in Walgreens cash. 6 for Axe, 9 for the booster, the paper booster, 5 for the digital booster, and then 4 back for Colgate. Then I also got back $14 in register rewards. I took a photo to the Fetch Rewards app and got back $5. I took a photo and then got $8 back from the IBOTTA rebate app, which is also super fantastic for the purchase of the Axe. So take a really big breath. This was a free haul plus an $11.65 money maker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using 2 different boosters with this and you don't want to have a messy mess on your hands. But what a sensational basket, making something out of nothing. And then to show you guys, these are the 5 back for personal care, 5 back for the P&G products, and then $4 back when you buy 2 of those Olay body washes. So that's $14 right there in register rewards. Plus, I also got this guy printing, which is $8 back on a Olay Premium Facial Moisturizer. Maybe in the comments, if you guys are scoring something cool, you can let me know. I was hoping to get the body wash one, but this is the one that I got, so I have to be happy with it. Now, since you guys love giveaways, let's have one for a $10 Walgreens gift card. To participate, you must be a subscriber to my channel. In the comments, tell me where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio shopper, and that is your entry. 1 entry per subscriber. The winner will be picked on Friday the 19th. I will pin your comment to the top of this video and send you a message that way. Good luck, and remember, this giveaway is completely free. To enter, I will provide the shipping and all that great stuff, and it is free to enter. So good luck, guys. And I would get out to Walgreens, at least for that Axe deal, because it is so fantastic. I really had the sneakiest suspicion that IBOTTA and Fetch the rebates, because there's a similar deal going on over at Target. That rebate it has a time ticker. It's not going to be around much longer because people are really, getting a lot of money back with those rebate apps, and I think it'll go quick. Okay, so before I take off into the big sunset, if you are from the Midwest and have a Meijer grocery store, it is Midwest only. I just want to show you the basket of items I got. A little Opti-Free for $3.09, the Quilted Northern for $7 and some change, and then 2 of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners, and they were $2.79 each. Now, we have a flash sale taking place on the 14th, which is today, and then the 15th, which is Monday. I think it coincides with some sort of anniversary of Meijer, and it's always in the summertime. So there's $2 off of that Quilted Northern, plus there's a BOGO free on the toilet bowl cleaner, so that is really nice. And then for that contact lens solution, that's $3.09. There's a $3 digital, making it 9 cents for me. And just to show you the receipt, boom, 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 everything came off. Now, I had an $8 off of my basket, as I have been shopping a lot, and the more you shop, you accrue these little goofy things, whatever you're buying, and I had bought a couple $100s of groceries, so I had an 8 off my next purchase. So I utilized that to pick up the balance for the toilet bowl cleaner and the toilet paper, and I got my basket for 78 cents, which is really, really terrific. So you might want to go through your M-Perks and then see the digital coupons if you wish to buy stuff. They have really good discounts on children's toys, Buncho balloons, Nerf, you name it. If you need to buy stuff for a party, it's the place to go. And it's only this Sunday and Monday, so the 14th and 15th. And then meat and potato stuff for couponers, such as toilet bowl cleaner and bathroom tissue, also a reasonable price. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.